In the last 12 months, we've set about 3,000 meetings over the phone, cold calling, right? Not inbound MQLs that we're then calling, but straight cold calls, right? Build a list, write a script, call the people, book the meeting, right? About 3,000 of those over the last 12 months. And so, what I wanted to do today is walk you through the framework that we used for each one of those, right? This framework has been used to set meetings in financial services, it's been used to set meetings for AI companies, document management companies, project management software, um, software for the construction industry, right across the board. The framework doesn't change. What changes is the messaging within that framework. So today I want to run you through that framework. I'm going to start off with the opener. So what is the structure of the opener that we use when we're making these cold calls? Let's jump onto the computer and I'll walk you through it.
So the opener, this is probably going to cause a bit of discussion because some people are fans of a permission-based opener and some people aren't. We really like them, and the reason that we like them is because whenever you call someone, right, the first thing that they're doing subconsciously is trying to understand the context for this call, right? They've received a call from a number they probably don't recognize. What's happening in their brain is they're trying to place, is this a customer? Is this a partner? Is this something to do with my personal life, right? Who is this person and which bucket of my life do I put this in? All of that subconscious processing is going on. And until you break that by giving them the clarity around what it is that you want to speak to them about, they can't begin to listen to you yet. And so we what we practice is to say, okay, well, let's get that out of the way as quickly as possible, and let's get permission to get into a conversation with this person so that we can start getting into a two-way dialogue. Let's remove that friction, that subconscious processing, that awkwardness that often exists at the start of a call. Let's get on the same page and let's agree to have a conversation. And so we like permission-based openers, and there are a bunch of different variations that you can use there, right? The key thing is that you want to basically explain the context, and you do that by saying things like, hey, we've never spoken before, or I know you weren't expecting my call, or look, I'll level with you, this is a cold call, right? So you're removing that subconscious processing in their mind, and then you're asking a question, right? You're asking for permission to continue, right? I haven't caught you at a bad time, have I? Can I get 27 seconds to explain why I've called you, right? This is a cold call. Do you want to hang up, or can I get 30 seconds to explain why I've called? Right? All examples of permission-based openers with the context framing that removes that subconscious processing in the prospect's mind. Right? So this sets the stage to be able to allow us to get into a conversation. Right? This is the way that we open all of our cold calls.